Hi, this is Sirisha Murthy and welcome back to my channel Everything Business by Sirisha Varma. In today's video, we're going to talk about specifically Pinterest and why and how you can use Pinterest to market your products or services as a small business owner. Most of the times you must have heard me talk about Pinterest specifically in this channel Everything Business by Sirisha Varma. But first, let us look at the statistics of Pinterest, and apart from that, we'll directly get into the UI and then try to understand how Pinterest looks like, what all you can do using Pinterest. So these are the top 7 statistics for Pinterest in India for 2022. Number 1, Pinterest is the 14th largest social network in the world. If you specifically look at Pinterest, Pinterest is the newest member of social media. Of course, there are so many other platforms that many people actually create a lot of content on, specifically TikTok. But if you specifically look at products and services, if you look at the kind of people that are there on the social media platforms that are out there to market their products or services, Pinterest is the 14th largest one. Previously, nobody used to know about Pinterest, but today it is the 14th largest. The second important statistic regarding Pinterest for 2022 is Pinterest currently has 431 million monthly active users. Just a few years ago, Pinterest had more than 60 million monthly active users. But today, Pinterest has 431 million monthly active users. And why is this statistic important? The statistic is important because 29% of people on Pinterest who are the monthly active users are women aged 25 to 34 years of age. So if this is the ideal customer demographic for your specific business, for your products or services, you should definitely look at Pinterest as one of the important social media platforms for your business. Most of the times, Indian business owners ignore this amazing platform of Pinterest. They try to create an account on Facebook, on Instagram, and then they say that they're not getting any traction. These platforms are already too cluttered. So if you're trying to create a dent in these platforms, it will be very, very difficult. So rather than that, trying to get ahead onto Pinterest, because there are already 431 million monthly active users and 29% of them are women who are aged 25 to 34. Now, statistic number 4, people watch 1 billion videos every single day on Pinterest. That is right, folks, 1 billion. That is B with a capital, videos on Pinterest every single day. So this platform is slowly becoming very, very video heavy. So last time, when you must have seen, I have talked about the top 3 social media platforms and strategies for real estate agents. One of those platforms was definitely Pinterest. When I spoke about Pinterest, I mentioned that Pinterest, when it started, was an image heavy kind of platform. And I also mentioned that you need to respect the platform whenever you're trying to put content on it. But now it seems Pinterest is slowly moving to be video heavy platform rather than image heavy platform, with this statistic wherein people are watching 1 billion videos per day on this platform. Now, interesting statistic number 5. Statistic number 5 is 97% of top searches that are happening on Pinterest are for unbranded products, which is a huge market opportunity if you are a small business owner. As a small business owner, most of the times, not just you, but I also feel guilty about this whole brand creation. Most of the times, if you specifically look at products and services, you might be offering better products and services. But if people don't know your brand name, most of the times the business does not come to you. And that is where these big brands invest a lot of money on brand building exercises, on advertising exercises, on marketing exercises, and we as small business owners are not able to compete with them. That is where this amazing statistic comes into picture. 97% of top searches on Pinterest are brand agnostic. That is meaning they're not searching for the specific brand, they're just searching for the product or service. So if you are a small business owner and you deal with products and you are really not confident about your brand, you could still make a dent in the market if you market properly using this platform of Pinterest, because 97% of top searchers, they don't care about the specific brand, they only care about the product or service. Now, statistic number 6. Statistic number 6 is very, very important, because this implies to most of the small business owners here in India who are trying to sell their products abroad. The holiday planning, as per Pinterest, starts as early as 9 months ahead of time. What does that mean? So generally, in US, if you look at the big spending that happens, big spending generally happens around Thanksgiving, around Christmas, but these are end of the year processes, and the most 90% of the spending happens around this time. So you as an Indian producer or as an Indian manufacturer, you could use this space of 9 months. So the holiday planning, what gifts need to be given to whom, what are the different gift ideas, all the research happens 9 months ahead of time. So right around January, February. So January, February, March is when people start planning about these gift ideas. So if you can really get onto Pinterest, if you can start putting a lot of content on Pinterest right before January, February, March, you will have a lot of traction with people who are looking for gift ideas, and who knows, they might choose your product as the next gift item. And remember, these are the big spenders, this is the big money coming your way. So it would just not be one product, it would be volumes of the product. So take this platform Pinterest seriously. Now, statistics number 7. Statistic number 7 is pinners are 5 times more likely to purchase from try-on enabled pins. So what is this try-on enabled pins? Specifically, if you are in the home decor segment. Home decor segment is the biggest segment on Pinterest. Most of the people come to Pinterest to look for home decor ideas. There is this new feature which is called as try-on enabled pins, specifically on Pinterest, which uses AR. AR, as most of you know, is artificial intelligence. So they are using this AI or AR, wherein what they're doing is they are giving some pins. So this is a tool that is already enabled on Pinterest. You can just download it on your iOS or Android phone and go and search for the pins which have try on enabled on them. So once you click on it, you will be able to choose any sort of product that is out there which has this pin enabled, and put it in an empty space in your house and see how that product looks like. It could be your makeup products, it could be your home decor products. And as I mentioned, home decor is the biggest category right on Pinterest. So Pinterest started this feature with home decor. So most of the times, if you're searching this on Pinterest, go to specifically home decor ideas and check if the pin that is there on Pinterest has try on it. And when you click on it, it would automatically open the camera that is there on your mobile phone. And if you put it in an empty space in your house, the product will be displayed embossed onto the empty space, and you would look how it looks like. So I will also be showing this in an UI regarding how Pinterest says how it looks like. So these are the top 7 statistics of Pinterest as of 2022. So if you want to see how Pinterest looks like, let us get into the UI and see how Pinterest looks like and what are the different features that are available out there on Pinterest. Now, specifically, if I take you to the UI, this is how the UI looks like. Okay, so I have already logged into Pinterest, and this is where my account information is being shown right at the top. Now, as you can see, this is the feed that I currently have. So how are small business owners using Pinterest? One of the ways that small business owners use Pinterest is they take a beautiful image like this, and then they take people who are clicking on this image directly to either their website or to their YouTube channels. So for example, this specific product, right? This is a nice looking dress. So if you click on the link that is right here, you can see that it is taking us right to their website. So if you click on it, it will take you right to the website specific page wherein this product is shown. And if you look at this product, all the details regarding the product are shown here. What is the pricing? What is the delivery? Everything is being shown here. This is one of the ways that people are using Pinterest. Apart from this, people are also using Pinterest to take you to their YouTube channel. And of course, this product, if you specifically look at it, it is directly taking to their Etsy website. And this, as I mentioned, interiors is a huge segment here in Pinterest. And specifically, if you look at all these other posts, either they take you to a specific website or they directly take you onto a YouTube channel as well, wherein the product will be directly shown to you. Apart from that, you could also, there would be information wherein you could directly buy from that specific website or specific YouTube channel as well. Now, let us also look at the try it on pin, because that is the most amazing, that is the most interesting one that we are talking about today. And as I mentioned already, it is a AR kind of thing. So at this point of time, so for example, this, right, this specific post, if you look at it, is from South India Trends. And if you specifically look at this post, this is taking us to their YouTube channel. So if I just click on the link, then it directly takes me to their specific YouTube channel, wherein they could also create a whole video. As you can see, they have also created a whole video regarding how the different products that they have, how they look like. This is of course a slideshow that they have just added on their YouTube channel. And specifically, if you go below, they will have all their contact information. So this is also one of the ways that you could attract all these people right from Pinterest, wherein 97% of the pinners are directly trying to buy from the ideas that you have out there on Pinterest. Now, let me show you the very interesting feature that Pinterest has just launched, which is the try it pins. So specifically, if you look at this specific URL, I am just showing you whatever the demo Pinterest has provided to us. So specifically, if you look at home decor items, so this is a chair, right? So people are searching just like in Google or etc. They go to Pinterest and they can also search for specific gift ideas or specific products that they want to buy from Pinterest. So here in the first image, as you can see, people are searching for chairs, and this is how it looks like. So probably they liked this chair, and once they clicked on the chair to make it a bigger size so people can view it much better, yeah, you can see there is a small button right below the chair image which says try in your space. So if you click on try in your space, this is how it looks like. This chair is just an image. So the camera on your mobile phone actually opens up, it takes the image of this chair, and you can actually place it at any empty space. So for example, this is a video of how it looks like. You just click on try on, and just like this, at any empty space, you can point your camera and the chair directly embosses onto that empty space. So you can realistically see how that chair looks like at your space. So this is a very interesting concept. This is going to blow up the market. It is not my prediction, but I think that will become 100% true in the next few years. They have just launched this feature in home decor. They have just launched this feature in makeup, specifically lipsticks and on. You could just take the shade of the lipstick and point at it right on your face, and then the app would directly show you how that shade looks like on your lips as well. So this is all about Pinterest. If you are a small business owner, I definitely suggest that this is high time that you get onto Pinterest and start promoting your products or services before your competition gets onto Pinterest. Also, now in India, Pinterest has launched its own advertisement platform on Pinterest. So you could also use this amazing platform to run ads regarding your products or services. If your products and services also have scope to be bought, not just in India, but out of India as well, you should seriously trust Pinterest, because this is going to blow up your market. So that is it, folks, for today. This is Sirisha Murthy, founder, chief strategist at Branding by Pixels, a business strategy, design, and digital marketing company coming live to you from India. If you want my services to take your business digital, you could definitely write to me at sirisha@brandingbypixels.com. Sirisha@brandingbypixels.com. The email would be scrolling right in this email, in this video somewhere, or it will be in the description of this video. So you could directly write me a note and I would reply to you personally. I will see you again in my next video. Remember, if you are a real estate agent, I'm creating a series of videos just for real estate agents on how to market your services. It will be under the playlist of real estate videos. So go ahead and check that out as well. Apart from that, if you are a small business owner, you have some unique products and you are also looking for exporting these products, looking to search for buyers, not just in India, but abroad, I'm also creating a different playlist entirely regarding how you can make your business export ready. The first of the videos is already live on this channel, so go ahead and check out that playlist as well. I'll see you again in my next video. If you like the content and you don't want to miss out on these amazing topics, do subscribe to the channel and smash that like button. Share it with your friends if you think it would be helpful to them as well. I'll see you again. Please do take care. Bye-bye.